big and small. The elephant is big, and the mouse is small. The big elephant walked slowly, while the small mouse ran quickly. Hot and cold. The sun is hot, and the snow is cold. On a hot day, we like to eat ice cream, but on a cold day, we drink hot chocolate. Happy and sad. The girl is happy, and the boy is sad. She was happy because it was her birthday, but he was sad because he lost his toy. Tall and short. The giraffe is tall, and the rabbit is short. The tall giraffe can reach the high leaves, but the short rabbit eats grass from the ground. Fast and slow. The cheetah is fast, and the turtle is slow. The fast cheetah chased its prey, while the slow turtle moved steadily. Up and down. The balloon is up, and the rock is down. The balloon floated up into the sky, and the rock stayed down on the ground. Day and night. The sun shines during the day, and the moon glows at night. We play outside during the day, and we sleep at night. Open and closed. The door is open, and the other door is closed. He opened the door to go outside, and then he closed it behind him. Clean and dirty. The shirt is clean, and the other shirt is dirty. She wore a clean shirt to school, but after playing outside, it became dirty. Light and heavy. The feather is light, and the rock is heavy. The light feather floated in the air, while the heavy rock stayed on the ground.